Jesus, the innocent Son of God, stood silently before Pontius Pilate. Though blameless, he was accused by angry voices. Pilate, unsure of what to do, offered the crowd a choice. But they chose Barabbas.
Have you ever dreamed of creating stunning animated Bible stories that are not only inspiring, but can also reach millions on YouTube, all without spending a single dollar on software? Well, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to do that using free AI tools. You don't need any animation background. You don't need fancy equipment. And you definitely don't need a budget. Just your creativity, your message, and the tools I'm about to show you. Whether you're just starting out, or you've never touched animation in your life, by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn powerful Bible stories into beautiful 3D animated videos using 100% free resources. And yes, you can actually earn from it. Channels like Bible in a Nutshell are doing exactly this. They've reached over 20 million views and are earning more than $65,000 a year just by sharing animated Bible stories on YouTube. And don't worry, I'll show you everything. How to generate engaging, biblically accurate stories. How to design eye-catching Pixar-style scenes. How to keep your characters consistent throughout. And how to pull it all together into one professional video that's ready to post. To make it easy, I've prepared 5 powerful prompts that will guide you through every single step. From writing to visuals to animation to voiceover. So grab your notebook or open your tabs. Let's dive in. Step 1 is getting the right story, and for that we use prompt 1 in ChatGPT. This prompt generates 10 biblically accurate story ideas, each with a title, scripture reference, a short summary, and a moral lesson. All written in a style that's simple, engaging, and animation-friendly. After running the prompt, you'll get a list like this. The triumphal entry, Jesus the humble king, Matthew 21. David and Goliath, faith over fear, 1 Samuel 17. And more. Pick one that fits your vision. For this video, let's go with the triumphal entry, Jesus the humble king. Now that you've picked your story, it's time to write the script. And that's where prompt 2 comes in. This prompt gives you a 1 to 3 minute video script, written in clear, friendly language. It introduces the characters and setting, walks through the key events, and ends with a strong moral lesson. Paste your selected story title into ChatGPT along with prompt 2, and you'll get a beautiful short script you can expand on later. Copy it and save it in Google Docs. That's where we'll organize everything. If you're aiming for a 10-minute animation, this script will serve as your core. You can later break it into scenes or expand certain parts for more visual storytelling. This next step is critical for consistency across all your scenes. Character design. You'll use prompt 3. Paste your short script into ChatGPT and ask it to extract all the characters. Then, use prompt 3 to generate a full visual description of each one. Face and skin tone, hairstyle and color, clothing, shoes, and accessories. Let's say your story has Jesus, the disciples, and a donkey. ChatGPT will give you a paragraph for each, like, Jesus is around 33 with olive-toned skin, shoulder-length brown hair, a trimmed beard, wearing a plain cream robe with a deep blue sash and leather sandals. These visual details will become the foundation for your image generation in the next steps. Now we're ready to bring scenes to life visually. Using prompt 4, go through your story line by line. For each scene, paste a sentence into ChatGPT, then add the character descriptions relevant to that scene below it. ChatGPT will return a rich image prompt describing the background, characters' poses and expressions, and any action happening. Make sure each prompt ends with, 3D animation Pixar-style, kid-friendly. Example prompt: Jesus riding on a donkey through the gates of Jerusalem, people waving palm branches, a joyful crowd on both sides, midday sun overhead. Jesus wears a blue sash, smiling peacefully. 3D animation Pixar-style, kid-friendly. Save each prompt as its own file or section in your doc. With your image prompts ready, go to Leonardo AI and click on Image Creation. Paste in your first image prompt, select the Phoenix 0.9 model and set the style to dynamic, then click Generate. Leonardo will give you 4 images to choose from. Pick the best one, and repeat this for every scene in your story. Want character consistency? Just reuse the same character prompts in each image and make sure to check their outfit and face before moving on. Once you've generated all your images, download them. We'll animate them next. Now it's time to add motion. Go to Hailuo AI and choose image to video. New users get free credits, which is enough to get started. For each scene, upload the image you just created. Use prompt 5 in ChatGPT to generate an animation description. It'll include camera angles, character actions, background motion. Paste the animation prompt into Hailuo. Click Generate. Repeat this for every image. In a few minutes, you'll have short animated clips with smooth movement, perfect for storytelling. Download each one and save them in order. Now for the voice. Go to ElevenLabs and paste in your story script. Make sure you clean it up. Only include narration, no image notes or directions. Pick a realistic voice from the voice library. There are many kid-friendly and storytelling voices to choose from. Then click Generate Speech and download the voiceover audio. This will become the heart of your video. So make sure it matches the tone of the story. Let's put everything together. Open CapCut and import your animation clips and voiceover. Drop them onto the timeline and align each clip with the matching part of the narration. Then, add an opening text, title plus dramatic subtitle. Use transitions between scenes. Insert soft background music. Check YouTube's free music library or Pixels. Add sound effects like crowd cheering, donkey walking, wind blowing. CapCut has a bunch. Include subtitles using auto captions to boost accessibility. Finally, apply a cinematic effect like to give your video a polished look. Once everything looks and sounds great, click Export. And there you have it. A full animated Bible story made completely with free AI tools.
Jesus and his disciples were coming to Jerusalem. It was almost time for Passover, and the city was busy with travelers. Go to the village ahead. You'll find a donkey tied there. Bring it to me. They found the donkey, just like Jesus said, and brought it back. As Jesus rode into Jerusalem, people came from everywhere. They laid down their cloaks and palm branches on the road. Hosanna! Hosanna to the Son of David! Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord. They welcomed Jesus like a king, but not the kind of king with a sword or crown. Jesus came in peace, riding humbly on a donkey, just like the prophet said he would. While the people cheered, Jesus knew his journey was leading to something much greater, something harder. But he kept going, because he loved them, and he loves us too. Jesus is the humble king who came to bring peace. Let's welcome him with joyful hearts, just like they did. Jesus and his disciples were coming to Jerusalem. It was almost time for Passover, and the city was busy with travelers. Go to the village ahead. You'll find a donkey tied there. Bring it to me. They found the donkey, just like Jesus said, and brought it back. As Jesus rode into Jerusalem, people came from everywhere.
Ready to inspire others and grow your channel. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tutorials like this. You can also find all 5 prompts in the description below. Thanks for watching, and go share the word through animation.